Hello friends, we welcome you on our YouTube channel. So we decided to start this kind of series of videos dedicated to salvage Teslas because we've been in this business for a couple of years and we have a lot of questions coming in. People ask us what is the difference, what are the downsides of salvaged cars. So we would like to demonstrate you live like how would salvaged car would look after it was rebuilt, refurbished by us and put back on the road. This gorgeous car is 2016 Tesla Model S 75 rear-wheel drive, so which was rear-ended. It's an original Californian car. So just so you get an understanding, this car looked like that. So all the body shops where we took this car, nobody believed that this car could be drivable again. Back on the road, including official Tesla service, and we proved them wrong. Now, as you see, this car looks gorgeous. It has been completely refurbished, rebuilt. It took us several months. It's been quite a quest for us. But tomorrow, this car gonna see his next owner, which basically got this car for half the price of what it's marked. The car has an unlimited free lifetime transferable supercharger, which Tesla doesn't offer anymore, as you know. So, after a little bit of work and fix-ups, now this car is back on the road, which kind of comes in line with Tesla's original mission of sustainable energy and sustainable future. We deeply believe that a sustainable future cannot be achieved if we're gonna salvage these beautiful cars and trash them. So we decided to kind of put them back on the road, right? And this car actually went for only 25,000 miles. So it's in very mint condition. As you can see, the interior is barely touched. Everything's done, and now the car is ready to go. It was certified and inspected by official Tesla service, who said that all the high voltage components are safe to work on, so it has full support from Tesla service centers nationwide. And yeah, so tomorrow this car will find his new owner. We're gonna miss you, Tesla. So if you ever have a doubt that your car can be drivable, if you got in an accident with Tesla, whatever, bring it to us, we'll inspect the car and we'll make our best to put this car back on the road so you don't waste it, you don't trash it. These cars are extremely durable and rock solid beasts.